Welcome to Life with Lori, coming to you live with another DIY project. So, this one was one of my favorites. I got this old chair for $10 on Craigslist. Justin laughed about it and talked about me for my old little grandma chair. But I always knew I was going to cover it up with a different fabric, and it was a old good quality wood chair. Like, nothing wrong with the quality of the wood, with the framework, just needed a new fabric. So basically had some leftover fabric that I had in my big old fabric bin that I was going to use for something else, or maybe I did. I think I got it specifically for the chair. Yes, we went to go pick this out. We got this fabric specifically for the chair, and I use my staple gun. Right now, you just see me like kind of cutting out the pattern and pinning it onto the chair. And then we're going to use our staple gun to attach it. And then what's not recorded is me using some E5000 glue, which is like the super strength industrial kind of adhesive glue, and I use that to kind of seal it in after the staple to smooth it all out, because the edges just weren't as smooth as I wanted it to be. So right here again, Justin's stapling it on, us trying to figure it out together.
So again, like I said, got this chair for $10 on Craigslist, then went to Joann's with coupons, of course. Got this super cool, nice luxe fabric that matches our color scheme in our living room, and basically kind of just reupholstered this chair. DIY, loving it. And then now it's like literally one of my favorite pieces in the living room. I'm saying it iffy like that because I kind of love all the DIY projects, because I love our wall. But yeah, definitely was a project that I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to successfully conquer, because I've never reupholstered a chair, and this is not even a real full reupholster. But we got a different fabric on that chair, nice, clean, and it looks perfect. I love it in our living room.
And as you can see, I also made a pillowcase out of some of the extra fabric that we had left over, to kind of just bring that fabric scheme onto the couch too. I usually have that long pillow on our couch, but I just wanted to show it all together so you guys can see that there was a little bit of extra fabric left over. And when there's extra fabric, you can just make another item, like a couch pillow.
Well, that's it for this episode of Life with Lori. Make sure that you like, comment, and of course, subscribe.